Massive bullishness is seen again in US30, where it has closed the week at a high at 36,250 levels. Now, can we expect US30 to continue towards the all-time high levels from here, or is it going to break from the current levels? In the month of December, which position you should take trading US30 Dow Jones? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you're new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel. I share twice a day update on Dow Jones, first with the Asia and Europe session and next with the US session. These two updates daily definitely adds meaning to your trading decisions. Let's start. First, we'll look into the monthly charts and we'll move towards the lower time frame charts, and towards the end I will give you the trading levels and strategy for the coming week and the month. Watch till the end. Now see, on the monthly charts, first of all, here was the rise, then this massive fall, and now US30 is looking forward to form a double top if it does from here. Now on the monthly charts also, after this sharp rise, it has stayed sideways and now again started to give a breakout. See, three retracement candles, and this is the second bullish candle which has started. See, on the very first trading session of the month itself, it has taken a direction. Now if you notice, look at the highs here. All the highs on the monthly charts beautifully aligned. Now see what has happened here. It has scaled to the highs and then a massive pullback was seen. Also, this was preceded by two strong bullish candles. Now here this is only one bullish candle, but it has come to the highs here of this channel. Thus we have to wait for US30 to break past 36,300 500 zone. This is the next milestone. Last week we have discussed this is going to be the resistance zone at 36,200 300. Now the next milestone I will look forward to here is 36,300 to 500, and then beyond this 37,000 levels should be seen. But if you find a resistance here at 36,300 500, do not think that it cannot show a pullback. It can show you a massive reversal on the downside as well. It can completely erase the gains from what we had seen in the last month. Thus we have to be watchful. It has come to the greater resistance levels. But look at monthly stochastic, it is still rising, it is still bullish. Look at the MACD, and we have discussed this several times in our previous updates that see, it has hit a bottom, and bounced back, and since then higher highs. Now on the monthly charts, it has hit a bottom again and it is looking forward to an up move. So can we expect more bullishness here? Yes, if it breaks past 36,300 500 zone, certainly we are not going to look forward to a look back or pull back in US30. RSI is flat on the monthly charts. Coming to the weekly, now see here on the weekly charts as well, it is just staying within this zone. It is now scaled to the highs of this channel, and that is why I say 36,300 to 500 zone is going to remain critical for US30 to decide which direction it wants to take. Any move beyond 36,500, certainly we can look forward to 37,000 plus levels in the coming week and the coming month itself. Now see, moving average was always or almost trying to trade parallel here, but now has started to diverge and started to look upwards. At the same time, look at the divergence of the price from the moving average. Where is the 20 period moving average? It is right now at 34,500 34,400 levels. What is the price right now? 36,200 levels, almost 2,000 points of divergence. Now this is certainly a massive divergence of price from the moving average. Thus, either it has to stay with a slight bearish bias and wait for the moving average to climb up. Even if it has to stay bullish, it has to wait for the moving average to climb up. Thus, these levels again appear to remain a greater resistance zone. We have to be very cautious. It does not mean that it cannot scale further highs. Yes, it can scale further highs. That is what we are going to watch, how it behaves at 36,300 500. As beyond 36,300 500, I will look forward for it to go closer to the 37,000 levels, and then retracement can be seen. Stochastic, weekly stochastic has come back to overbought levels. Whenever we see such overbought levels, it tries to cool down a bit. So the next week is going to be critical in terms of which direction it wants to take. Now look at the weekly MACD here. See, these were the highs here. Now this was the 37,000 levels, and right now here very near to the zero levels itself, we are seeing 37,000 levels. So can you imagine what could be the highs here? See, also look at the divergence here. It is too much and it can scale further on the up. It is looking bullish, looking upwards. RSI is also looking upwards, staying bullish here. Now let's have a look at the day. On the daily charts, the rally from the bottom to the top in a very quick time frame, it was indeed a very strong rally what we had seen. Now if you look at the momentum here, rise, consolidation, sideways, then this stronger rise is seen. Now after this, see, the movement are almost alike, and thus also you should notice these last two candles are certainly, it has closed on a flat note, certainly is an indication that it is still bullish because it is closed at the top. Second observation here is it is very near to the top of the channel. Then the third observation, it is at the extremes of the Bollinger Band. Thus, on the daily chart, we have to remain extremely watchful, cautious, and alert. Also on the daily charts, see if this is the bullish channel, these are the highs, and the bottom of the channel is now a little far below at around 35,700, 35,800 levels. Yes, it has scaled to the top. Definitely next week, these levels at 36,300, 500 are going to remain a critical resistance zone. Achieving those levels, we can expect a pullback in US30 where it can try to retrace a little on the downside. Now see on the daily charts, moving averages have crossed over here, trading with divergence, looking bullish. Divergence of the price from the moving average calls for it to converge a bit, but right now it is certainly looking upwards, staying bullish. If you look at the stochastic on the daily charts, it has come to overbought levels again, and the MACD has also seen extremely high levels here. Now on the daily charts, MACD has come to a danger zone. If you notice here, see this and this, whenever it has achieved such levels, you have seen a sharper drop, and again it has achieved such levels. So definitely a pullback should be very near. Only thing is how high it can fly. RSI is also at an extreme overbought levels here. We should be very cautious and alert with the buying positions here. Coming to the 4 hour, likewise on the 4 hour chart, certainly extremely bullish move here. Coming to the top of the channel. Also now notice the support levels here at 35,900, 800. Very strong support exists here. It has to break below 35,900 levels in order to confirm further drop, and the 20 period lying at around 35,800 levels. So these two support levels, if and only if US30 breaks below this, we can say that the next step is going to be towards 35,400 level. On the 4 hour charts, stochastic consistently staying overbought. The MACD is looking upward. The MACD is divergent. The MACD is bullish. RSI is at extremely overbought levels here. Certainly it has to show a pullback. Definitely this channel is definitely going to work well. 36,300, 500 is the zone you should watch out for. A pullback from those levels cannot be denied, but how far this pullback can succeed, how low it can take, that is what we will look into while giving you the positions. And now since we have seen the charts, you've seen the indicators, time for me to define the and strategy for the coming week and for the month of December. But before I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. 28th batch is announced. You can be part of it. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram where trading as per the signals you can definitely benefit. And yes, do not miss to be part of my webinar series. Every Sunday we discuss what to expect from the market in the coming week. We also take up your live queries there on the webinar. More details related to the batch is found on my platform forexfunda.com. This is a platform for the traders, by the traders here. Now look at this. This is the details of the webinar you can find out, and here you will find the details. Just register here for the webinar and mentorship batch, and this platform has much more to offer. The top stories from across the globe is available, and also most of you have asked where you can find the data related to the economic calendar, where you can find the data releases from across the globe, which definitely has an impact on the markets. You can just find the economic calendar here. You can also get your favorite instruments. You can also find your favorite instruments, do the charting, do the analysis. Anything which is getting traded across the globe is available here. Be the indices, commodities, crypto, currency, bonds, anything which is traded is available here. That is across the globe. So do visit. Also, you can schedule a call if you need any consultation or guidance for any respect for any of your existing position, or if you need a future prediction, you can just book a call with me. And the important part is the availability of the communities page where you can discuss with the like-minded traders. Do visit the platform and find the details of the services and enjoy the services. And yes, if you want to enroll in my signals channel, just reach out to me via Telegram or email. Now first, let's talk about the levels. I will recommend you to buy here at 36,280 levels, beyond which you can expect 36. See, I will I will give you very narrow levels, because see, these are definitely greater resistance levels here. 36,328, 36,360, and 36,400. Now once it stays above 36,400, 36,500 is must. Then beyond this, 36,665, and then it will go towards 37,000 levels. Anything beyond 37,000 levels, sky is the limit on the upside. Be careful. I can see that these are certainly elevated, certainly overbought levels. Be careful. As long as 36,500 is there, the possibility of a pullback will be very high. In fact, even if it is in between this complete zone, that is 36,300 to 500, we have to be watchful. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell here at 230 levels. Expect 36,180, 36,100. Then now 36,000 is going to be a critical support level. 36,000, 35,900, and 35,800. Now this is the support zone which Dow Jones needs to break past by. If it stays below this zone between 35,800 to 36,000 levels, you can say the next stop is going to be 35,400 levels, and below that we can say more drop is going to be seen. Chances appear to be less, but these are markets. Sooner or later it has to show a pullback. It is extremely overbought, but right now it is not showing any signs of reversal. Thus, any of the positions you are taking, you have to trade with extreme caution, specifically on the buy side. We can see an extreme reversal here. Be watchful, cautious, and alert. Right now it is not showing any signs. Thus, as far as it is not showing any signs, enjoy the ride on the upside. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do watch the daily analysis twice a day for Dow Jones, and join my services with mentorship batch, the webinar series, or the signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your services related to queries on my Telegram and email, and also visit the platform forexhunter.com and join my free Telegram channel. All the links are there in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week and trading month ahead. Remember, below 35,400, directly we are going to look at 35,000 and below levels. Take positions accordingly. Thank you.